up is the Valerion VisionMaster, a state-of-the-art RGB laser projector. This isn't your ordinary home projector. It delivers stunning 4K visuals with ultra-precise color accuracy. With an incredible contrast ratio and vibrant colors, it turns any room into a mini cinema. The VisionMaster uses advanced laser technology to produce a bright, clear picture, even in well-lit environments, ensuring that your movie nights are never the same again. Next, we have the Vocic AX12, a revolutionary raised toilet seat that redefines accessibility and comfort. Designed with adjustable height and tilt, it supports individuals with limited mobility, making the bathroom experience safer and more convenient. The Vocic AX12 features a streamlined design and anti-slip padding for extra security, ensuring comfort and stability. Introducing the L-Ring 2, a sleek, smart ring equipped with AI-powered controls. This isn't just a fashion statement, it offers gesture-based interactions, allowing you to manage smart devices with a wave of your hand. The L-Ring 2 also includes advanced communication features, so you can send quick messages or receive notifications discreetly. It's lightweight, durable, and ready to keep you connected while you're on the move. Ever wanted to control devices with your mind? Say hello to Broadmind, an advanced brain-computer interface BCI that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This lab-quality neurotech reads brainwaves, allowing users to perform tasks with just a thought. Whether you're interested in gaming, research, or exploring new frontiers of interaction, Broadmind opens the door to hands-free control, giving a glimpse into the future of neural technology. Let's move on to the LaserTonor PI, a powerful yet user-friendly laser engraver. Designed for hobbyists and professionals alike, it's perfect for creating intricate engravings on a variety of materials like wood, leather, and metal. The PI offers advanced safety features, intuitive controls, and high-speed engraving, making it ideal for anyone looking to personalize products or dive into creative projects. For content creators, the CyberAxon D3 is a game changer. It's a 13-in-1 multifunctional stream control dock that allows seamless management of streaming tools. With customizable buttons and intuitive software integration, you can control lighting, switch scenes, adjust audio, and more, all from a single device. Whether you're a gamer or a professional streamer, CyberAxon D3 has everything you need to level up your stream setup. Outdoor enthusiasts meet the Lymow One, a boundary-free robot mower designed to tackle any terrain. Thanks to its intelligent navigation and rugged wheels, it easily handles slopes, tight spaces, and large lawns without traditional boundary wires. It also comes with smart app integration, giving you remote control and real-time updates. Lymow One takes the hassle out of lawn care, so you can enjoy a perfectly trimmed garden without lifting a finger. For pet owners, there's the Snow Walk Dog Leash. More than just a leash, it's packed with features like built-in LED lights for night walks, a shock-absorbing mechanism for sudden pulls, and GPS tracking to keep your furry friends safe. The ergonomic design and reinforced handle provide extra comfort and control, making every walk a pleasant experience for both you and your dog. Lastly, we have Spectra, a modular mini device with an interactive touch display. This versatile gadget comes with multiple connectivity options, advanced sensors, and endless customization possibilities. Whether you're experimenting with IoT devices or simply looking to add smart features to your workspace, Spectra's modular design allows you to easily swap out components and expand its functionality. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who love to tinker and explore new possibilities.